The inspiration for today's recipe comes from our nation's first president, and I'm sure he would have loved it too. Howard shows us how to make a cherry pineapple dump cake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Every year on President's Day, it's been a tradition for us to make some type of cherry dessert, as a salute to George Washington chopping down a cherry tree. And every year, we get a tremendous response from all of you telling us how much you love those cherry desserts. So for all of you cherry lovers, here's a recipe that's as easy as it is good. We start by mixing together a can of cherry pie filling with a can of crushed pineapple, juice and all, in a baking dish. On top of that, we sprinkle on a package of dry yellow cake mix that we've tossed with a touch of cinnamon. To add a crunch, we finish it off with some chopped walnuts and drizzle the whole thing with melted butter. I mean, it couldn't get any easier. It's all made in one pan, there's no mixer to deal with, and it bakes up in no time. Oh, you'll know when it's done, when the top is golden and the filling is bubbling hot. Imagine serving this over a big scoop of ice cream. I sure hope you'll go online and get the recipe for what we call cherry pineapple dump cake, so you can have one amazing dessert that is perfectly presidential. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cherry good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.